Hi guys, this is a simple screencast which is created which will show you the entity framework code first approach of creating a database. So here we'll add new class to our model. So we'll give it a name hotel class. We'll give you a couple of properties to it. An ID property. We'll give it a name and we'll give it an I collection of hotel review. We'll give it a name hotel reviews. This seems to be a good definition. So let's create a code block db class. So here hotel review class. Let's add an id property to it. Let's give it a property ratings. Let's add a property. We'll have it in hotel id. And this hotel id will point back to the hotel that this review is associated with. So I'll add one more class. So this will be code block db. Let's add this class. This will be derived from the base class db context. We'll give it a namespace using system.data.entity. We'll add a db set property to it. To a hotel entity, we'll give it a name hotels, which will grab the list of hotels. Basically, it will do a select star from hotel. So we'll add one more db set to it. Hotel review, and we'll give the name hotel reviews. Let's say we want the home page of our application to display a list of hotels. So let's go to our home controller. And let's reference the code block db class. Let's remove this one out, and we'll also add a override dispose method. So if this is not equal to null, we will dispose it of. It's just a way to clean up resources. Anything that implements id disposable interface as a dispose method, you should clean up. So we'll create a var model, then we'll grab a list of hotels from our underscore db class. This should be the list of hotels. Now let's go to the index section of the home controller. Let's clean some things up. Let's get rid of this featured section. So we'll implement the enumerable of code block entity model, and we'll add a for each. Just control period will give you the model. Let's build and run this in the browser. As you can see, our application is run. Of course, we have no error, but the question here is we didn't get an error. So the entity framework talk to some database now. Where is the database? Let's go to Server Explorer and add a database connection. This is the model that's been created. So by default, when you instantiate one of these, if the entity framework doesn't find a database or there is no other configuration in place, it will look at local DB and create a database which will have the same name as the DB context. Just to see that it's working, if I go in and you say show table manually,